Understanding Crash Out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, crash out. It's a versatile expression that can add flair to your English conversations. So, let's get started and unpack what it means. Crash out can have a literal meaning. Imagine someone is so tired that they lay down and immediately fall asleep. That's crashing out. It's as if they've hit the bed like a plane crashes to the ground, quickly and without hesitation. However, crash out is often used figuratively. In sports, if a team crashes out of a tournament, it means they have been unexpectedly eliminated. It implies a sudden and sometimes dramatic exit. In everyday conversation, you might hear crash out in various contexts. For example, if someone leaves a party early and without saying goodbye, you could say they crashed out early. Or if someone fails to complete a task and gives up, that's also crashing out. Now you know how to use crash out in both literal and figurative ways. Try it in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.